Are you feeling stuck in the rat race, but not quite ready to quit your 9-to-5 job? If so, you're definitely not alone, and I've got some exciting news for you. Today, we're diving into 15 powerful and actionable strategies to escape the rat race without leaving your current job. Ready to break free? Let's get started. Point 1. Automate your finances. Managing finances manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Often, we might forget to save or invest regularly. Automate your savings, investments, and bill payments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and retirement funds. This ensures you are consistently saving and investing without having to remember each month. Point 2. Build multiple income streams. Relying solely on your paycheck can be risky and limiting. If you lose your job, you lose all your income. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or passive income opportunities like rental properties, dividend stocks, or creating digital products. Diversifying your income streams reduces financial stress and opens up new opportunities. Point 3. Invest in yourself. Stagnation is the enemy of progress. If you're not growing, you're staying the same while the world moves on. Continuous learning is key. Take courses, attend workshops, or read books that enhance your skills and knowledge. This not only makes you more valuable at your job, but also prepares you for future opportunities. Point 4. Network strategically. Networking isn't just about getting a new job. It's about creating opportunities and collaborations. Build a strong professional network. Attend industry events, join relevant online communities, and connect with like-minded individuals. Networking can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship. Point 5. Optimize your time. Time is your most valuable resource, and wasting it can hinder your progress. Use tools like calendars, task managers, and time-tracking apps to stay organized and productive. Prioritize tasks that align with your long-term goals and delegate or eliminate those that don't. Point 6. Set clear goals. Without clear goals, you can't measure your progress or stay motivated. Define what escaping the rat race means to you. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Having a clear vision keeps you focused and motivated. Point 7. Cut unnecessary expenses. Wasting money on non-essentials can delay your financial freedom. Review your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Redirect those savings towards investments or your side hustles. Every dollar saved brings you closer to financial freedom. Point 8. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial plans and cause stress. Having an emergency fund ensures that you're prepared for unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Point 9. Leverage technology. Technology can streamline your processes and increase efficiency. Use technology to your advantage. There are countless apps and platforms that can help you manage your finances, learn new skills, and even find freelance gigs. Stay tech-savvy and make your life easier. Point 10. Practice mindfulness and self-care. Burnout can significantly impact your productivity and overall well-being. Take time to relax, meditate, and practice self-care. A healthy mind and body are essential for sustained productivity and happiness. Point 11. Create passive income streams. Active income requires constant effort, while passive income works for you even when you're not working. Invest in assets that generate passive income, like dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending. This way, you earn money even when you're not actively working. Point 12. Develop a growth mindset. A fixed mindset limits your potential, while a growth mindset allows for continuous improvement. Adopt a mindset that embraces challenges and sees failures as learning opportunities. A growth mindset helps you stay resilient and adaptable in the face of adversity. Point 13. Plan for the long term. Short-term thinking can lead to poor financial decisions and missed opportunities. Think beyond immediate gains. Plan for long-term financial stability by investing in retirement accounts, building a diversified portfolio, and setting long-term goals. Point 14. Increase your value. Increasing your skills and taking on new responsibilities can lead to better career opportunities and financial rewards. Seek opportunities to take on new responsibilities at work, volunteer for projects, or propose new initiatives. Increasing your value can lead to promotions, raises, and better job security. Point 15. Stay motivated and consistent. Inconsistency and lack of motivation can halt your progress. Consistency is key. Stay motivated by regularly reviewing your goals, celebrating small wins, and reminding yourself why you started this journey. Stay the course, and you'll see progress over time. And there you have it, 15 powerful ways to escape the rat race without quitting your 9-to-5 job. Remember, it's all about making smart choices, staying disciplined, and continually seeking growth. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Advice Hour, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.